Attention, mine owners! This is in the standardized parts warehouse. Display the full range of core components of the crusher. Key structural components such as wear-resistant liners, plate hammers, side guards, and bearing housing spindle seal assemblies. All accessories adhere to industry manufacturing standards. After material inspection and accuracy inspection, it can meet the needs of equipment operation and maintenance, complete machine matching and working condition adaptation. Achieve traceability of component quality and stable supply through systematic warehouse management. Provide reliable support for the efficient and stable operation of mining crushing equipment.